How's it going, everyone? It's Gadgets Boy, and this is the latest smartphone from EE. This is a budget-friendly smartphone called the Hawk. Let's get inside the box and show you guys what you get if you get one of these. So turning around the box first, let's see what we get inside the package here, which is pretty cool. You see what I mean in a second. So you get your Hawk device, a USB-C charging cable, USB-C plug adapter, you get your JBL in-ear headphones, and a quick start guide. The JBL in-ear headphones is the part that I said was quite cool to have inside a budget smartphone. It's not something that you get even in some high-end phones out there today. Opening up the rest of the package, you are greeted with the smartphone itself, which looks premium. You get a glass back and front finishing here with your camera there, flash, etc. We get more into that in a second. And then you get your SIM ejector tool, and underneath the SIM ejector tool, you have your quick start guide, which it should read just to get you started very quickly. And once you've done that, then we look at underneath here, we get a USB charging block. You get a USB-C cable for fast data transfer, and also you get your JBL in-ear headphones, and you get some earbud tips as well, which is underneath here somewhere. But anyway, let's have a look at the device itself. Let's get a closer look. I'm going to get my SIM card in there and just show you guys how good this is. The Hawk has been designed with EE's 4G network in mind, and what this means is it's enabled with Cat 6 capabilities. So you get 4G plus download speeds of up to 300 megabits per second, and this supports Wi-Fi and 4G calling as well, which means you can text and call in more places across the UK, for example. This runs Android Nougat 7.1, and you got premium Gorilla Glass front and back, which is stylish and strong as well. It means if you happen to drop this, it should absorb that shock very well. You got fingerprint scanner, you got NFC as well, which allows you to do mobile payment with Android Pay, which is pretty cool. You got 16 gig of internal memory in there, so you can store as much as you want. You got 2 gig of RAM as well, and you can also expand the storage in there with a micro SD card. You got 5-inch display here, which is 720p HD quality, so that's 1280 by 720. The main camera is 13 megapixel, and the front facing is 8 megapixel camera, so you should be able to get some decent photos on here as well. As mentioned before, I really like the fact that they've included a pair of this high-performance JBL headphones in there, which is really good. It's got JBL signature sound engineering in there, so again, it should give you a really nice sound quality over just a standard sort of pair of headphones that you might get with other manufacturers. So I mentioned earlier that this has got 4G plus capabilities with Cat 6 technology. So to demonstrate this, I'm just going to quickly run a speed test here, and this speed that I get on this smartphone is actually faster than what I get on my home broadband here. Have a look at this speed, it's insane. The upload speed itself is actually fast enough for me to use to upload my YouTube videos. Anyway guys, this is the EE Hawk. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Would you get one? Let me know. Hit the like button, subscribe as well. If you want to find out more about the Hawk, visit ee.co.uk, or if you're around the UK, you can go to any EE shop and pick one up as well. All relevant link will be in the description area, so do check that out. But thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.